Hello everyone, this is Vaishnavi Nalavde. Welcome you all in our YouTube channel Vaishnavi Nalavde. So, if you have not subscribed to my channel, then subscribe first and press the bell icon to get the latest updates of new videos. So, in today's video lecture, we will discuss about the second one chapter, that is general introduction, composition and chemistry, chemical classes, biosources, therapeutic uses and commercial applications of following secondary metabolites, in that alkaloids, phenylpropanoids, flavonoids, steroids, cardiac glycosides and triterpenoids, volatile oils, tannins, resins, glycosides, iridoids and other terpenoids and naphthoquinones. These are the other secondary metabolite. In that, in today's video lecture, we will discuss about steroids, cardiac glycosides and triterpenoids. In that, licorice, dioscorea and digitalis. These three drugs we will discuss in today's video lecture. Okay, so first one drug, that is licorice. So licorice is a perennial herb cultivated in the Mediterranean region and central and southwest Asia for its sweet taproot, thus also termed as sweet root. So the plant gives purple with white colored flowers and its roots grow to a depth of 4 feet, that is 1.2 meter. Synonym of these, that is Radix glycyrrhizae and sweet licorice. Biological source, in that licorice is subterranean dried, peeled or unpeeled roots and stolon of different varieties of Glycyrrhiza glabra belonging to family Leguminosae. So licorice Marathi name, that is Jeshtamad. Okay, synonym of that Radix glycyrrhizae and sweet licorice. Biological source of that licorice is subterranean dried, peeled or unpeeled roots and stolon of different varieties of Glycyrrhiza glabra belonging to family Leguminosae. Then geographical source of licorice. On a large scale, it is cultivated in Spain, Sicily and Yorkshire, it is England. Other species of licorice like Glycyrrhiza glabra var violaceae is found in Iran, while Glycyrrhiza glabra var glandulifera is cultivated in Russia and is named in the Russian licorice. In Asian continent, it is cultivated in India, the sub-Himalayan tracts and Balochistan. Microscopic features of licorice, in that size several feet in length, varies in thickness from 1/4 to about 1 inch and longitudinally wrinkled. Shape, licorice root is long, straight, nearly cylindrical and occurs as unpeeled piece. Color, externally greyish brown to dark brown. Taste, sweet and very slightly acrid. Odor, weak and somewhat aromatic. And fruit, that is legume. You can see this image of licorice, that is licorice root, first one image, and second one is Glycyrrhiza glabra twig. Okay. Then microscopic features of Glycyrrhiza glabra. When examined under microscope, a stolon of licorice shows the following characteristics. In that cork, phloem, phloem parenchyma, phloem fibers, cambium, xylem fibers, pith, vessels, medullary rays, xylem parenchyma. In that outer surface, the outer surface of the unpeeled drug consists of around 10 rows of narrow cork cells. Cork cells, these are rapidly arranged and thin-walled, polygonal in nature, beneath which there may be a few parenchyma rows forming the cortex. Parenchymatous pericycle, it has small groups of fibers at intervals. Phloem fibers, in that these are thick-walled, lignified, occur in cylindrical bundles altering with sieve tissue, which in the outer part is collapsed to form parenchyma. Sieve tubes are clear near the cambium. Xylem, it consists of strongly lignified xylem fibers and vessels with little xylem parenchyma. The xylem vessels walls are thickly covered with bordered pits having slit-like opening. Medullary rays, these are composed of cellulosic parenchyma having and rapidly elongated cells. Many parenchymatous cells occurring in longitudinal rows adjacent to the fibers of phloem and xylem are small in size and contains a solitary prism of calcium oxalate. All the parenchyma cells contain either calcium oxalate crystals or starch. Peat, it is parenchymatous. The microscopical characteristics of roots are similar to stolon, except that at the center small 4 primary xylem bundles are present at right angles to each other. So with protoxylem directed outwards in root beneath the cork, phylloderm may be present. So these are all about transverse section of licorice root. Then next one is chemical constituents. The main chemical constituents of licorice is glycyrrhizin. It is 6 to 8% obtainable in the form of sweet, 50 times sweeter than sucrose. White crystalline powder consisting of calcium and potassium salt of glyceric acid, and glyceric acid on hydrolysis yields glyceratic or glycerinic acid. You can see these image of glycerinic acid and glycerinic. Okay. So these are the chemical constituents, main chemical constituents, that is glycyrrhizin. Then chemical constituents, chemical test, in that on addition of 80% of sulfuric acid to a section or powder of the drug, then orange yellow color is produced due to the transformation of liquidity. Flavon glycoside is present. 2-isoliquidrin, that is charcoal glycoside. Then second test, that is powder drug on reacting with water in the presence of potassium hydroxide gives a red color. Then uses of that licorice, that is ज्येष्ठमध आपण कशासाठी यूज करतो, it is used as a sweetening agent and in bronchial problem, flu and coughs. It is used as an expectorant and demulcent. It is used in peptic ulcer and as an antispasmodic. It is used as a flavoring agent for chewing tobacco and snuff tobacco. Its prolonged use raises the blood pressure and causes water retention. Its root is used externally in the treatment of herpes and eczema. Okay, these are all about the licorice. Then next, that is next one drug, that is Dioscorea. Dioscorea under the class of steroids. Okay, so in the family Dioscoreae, around 600 species of flowering plants are classified under the genus Dioscorea. The genus is named after the ancient Greek physician and botanist, that is Dioscorides. Synonym, it is yam, kins, singly, mingly. These are the synonyms of Dioscorea. Biological source, Dioscorea is the dried rhizome of several species of Dioscorea like Dioscorea deltoida, Dioscorea composita and other species of Dioscorea belonging to family Dioscoreaceae. तर Dioscorea म्हणजे काय, जे आपण करांदे बघतो, करांदा सगळ्यांना माहीत असेल. So these are the Marathi name of this Dioscorea plant, that is karanda. Then next, geographical source. in that the vast majority of the species are tropical and only a few species extended into temperate climates, and it is cultivated in North America, Japan, China, Mexico, India and Nepal. In India it grows widely in western Himalayas, Karnataka, Jammu and Kashmir, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu and West Bengal. You can see this image of Dioscorea rhizome. Microscopic features in that color slightly brown, odorless, then bitter in taste and varies depending upon age of rhizomes size. Size varies depending upon the age of rhizomes. Then microscopic features in that epidermis. Epidermis is normally absent in the transverse section of the drug. The core consists of only a few layers followed by thin-walled cortical parenchymatous tissue. Stele forms the major part of the drug and consists of several close collateral fibrovascular bundles. Endodermis and pericycle are indistinguished. These are the microscopic features of Dioscorea. Chemical constituents, it mainly consists of diosgenin, that is a steroidal sapogenin. Epismilagenin, it's a glycoside, and yamogenin, that is a beta isomer. It also contains sapogenase, phenolic compounds and starch. You can see this image in that chemical constituents present in the Dioscorea, that is diosgenin. The next one, that is chemical test. When diosgenin, that is a steroidal sapogenin, is treated with acetic anhydride in the presence of sulfuric acid, it gives a bluish green color. Diosgenin treated with acetic anhydride in the presence of sulfuric acid, they gives bluish green color. Then uses of Dioscorea, it is major source of diosgenin which is used for the manufacture of progesterone and other steroidal drugs. These are used as contraceptives and in disease like asthma and arthritis. These are the main uses of this Dioscorea. Then next one drug, that is digitalis. In that the genus digitalis has around 20 species of herbaceous, perennial or biennial shrubs. The digitalis plant is also known as foxgloves. Digitalis leaves and foxglove leaves, these are the synonyms of these digitalis. Biological source, digitalis is the dried leaves of Digitalis purpurea, dried at a temperature below 60 degrees Celsius immediately after collection. The leaves should not contain more than 5% of moisture. Family Sclerophyraceae. Okay, these are the synonym biological source family of that digitalis drug. Then geographical source, it is cultivated in European countries like England, France, Germany, North America and India. In India it is grown in Kashmir and Nilgiri hills. You can see this image of herb and leaf of Digitalis purpurea. Then microscopic features in that color, that is dorsal surface is deep green and greyish, but ventral surface is pale green and more greyish. Odor, slight characteristics, taste is bitter and size length up to 10 to 40 cm and width 4 to 20 cm. Shape, it is ovate, egg-shaped, lanceolate like a lance, much longer than broad, widest in the middle and tapering. Apex is pointed, margin of the leaf is serrated or crenate, broad rounded teeth, tips are obtuse, rounded with narrow space, petiole is small and weak. Microscopic features, digitalis is a dorsiventral leaf. It has anomocytic stomata on both surface and water pores at the apex of most of the marginal teeth. The trichomes are uniseriate, multicellular 3 to 5 cells and bluntly pointed. There are also glandular trichomes with unicellular stalk and unicellular or cellular head. The glandular trichomes are generally located over the veins. You can see this image of TS of digitalis leaf. So collapsed cell covering trichome is an important characteristic of digitalis. Digitalis is free of calcium oxalate crystals and sclerenchyma. Starch grains are present in the endodermis. There is cholenchyma at 3 different places, that is at the upper epidermis, lower epidermis and pericyclic part. These are all about the microscopic features of digitalis leaf. Then chemical constituents. In that, digitalis contains 0.2 to 0.45% mixtures of both primary and secondary cardiac glycosides, that is cardinucleotides, purpurea glycosides, that is A and B, and glucogitaloxine are primary glycosides possessing at C3 of the aglycon, a linear chain of 3-digit oxos moieties terminated by glucose. Digitalis also contains several other glycosides such as odorosite H, gitaloxine, virodoxine and glucovirodoxine. You can see this image of purpurea glycoside A and purpurea glycoside B. Then additionally it contains 2 saponin glycosides, that is gitonin and gitonin. The total number of glycosides reported in the drug is about 30. So apart from the glycosides, leaves also contain hydrolytic enzyme. So D, dextrodigitoxose and dextrodigitalose. Chemical test. Main test, that is Killer-Gilani test for digitoxose. In this test, about 1 gram finely powdered digitalis is boiled with 10 ml of 70% alcohol for 2 to 3 minutes. The extract is filtered and filtrate is added to 5 ml water and 0.5 ml strong solution of lead acetate. The mixture is shaken well and the filtrate is separated. The clear filtrate is treated with equal volume of chloroform and evaporate to yield the extractive. Then the extractive is dissolved in glacial acetic acid and after cooling 2 drops of ferric chloride solution is added to it. These contents are transferred to test tube containing 2 ml of concentrated sulfuric acid and a reddish brown layer acquiring bluish green color after standing is observed due to the presence of digitoxose. Then second one is legal test. The extract is dissolved in pyridine, sodium nitroprusside solution is added to it and made alkaline. A pink or red color is produced. Then third one is Baljet test. In that, to a section of digitalis, sodium picrate solution is added. It shows yellow to orange color and other chemical tests also included in the digitalis drug. The uses. Digitalis has its major therapeutic effect by increasing the force and velocity of contraction of the normal and failing heart. The clinical syndrome of congestive heart failure results from the inability of heart to pump sufficient blood to meet the body's needs. Digitalis increases the activity of cardiac muscles. Thank you. Stay safe. If you have not subscribed to my channel, then subscribe first and press the bell icon to get the latest updates of new videos. Thank you.